It's the Big Sam Studio.
Welcome back to the studio. Today we're working on another 18 by 24 inch panel. We're going to be using acrylic paint to paint Molly the dog. Alright, first I'm going to work on the background of this square, and I'm going to split the background into two parts. A warm part and a cold part. Actually, the cold part might be over here. Cold part and warm part. And then form the background and then start the painting after that. I think it's done. That's the good thing about working abstract first, is that you can really play around with your canvas, you know? Do I like it better this way? Do I like it better this way? Alrighty, sketch is done. Now it's time to build up those tones. Kind of like this one, you see. Alright, let's go. Let's kick this up. Let's go. Alrighty, I'm loving how this one's turning out. The dog is starting to really pop out and the colors are starting to come through. I'm starting to get some good texture within the fur of the dog. I think the only thing that's not working right now is the background. So we're going to be working on that and make some big changes. Alright, I'm having a hard time with the background. It's just not working with the dog. So I'm going to paint the whole background black and kind of start over with the design of the background. Alrighty, I'm pretty much done with this one. I'm just going to sign it, and then tomorrow I'll take it out into the sun to get better videos and some photos as well. I got for today. Thanks so much for watching this far into the video and the painting of Molly the dog. Now we're gonna varnish it and then ship it off to our customer, the person that owns this dog. Thanks so much for the feedback in the last videos. It's super helpful and it really helps the channel grow. Let me know what you thought in the comments down below, like, and make sure you subscribe and all that stuff. So thanks so much. See you next time at the Big Sam Studio.